Often with limiting reactant problems, we're asked to calculate the theoretical yield. And what that means is, what is the most of this product here, this H2O, that we can make if the reaction proceeds perfectly? In the lab, things don't always work out perfectly, but we're assuming everything is perfect. What's our theoretical yield? So first we need to find the limiting reactant. So we set it up like this, and we'll put a 1 in front of the water here. Then we just divide these like this, and we get, so this number's less. This is the limiting reactant. O2, that's our limiting reactant, and H2 is in excess. So we're only interested in the limiting reactant. That's what restricts or limits how much we can make, our theoretical yield. So we can forget this. So now we want to know how much of this water we can make. And we can just say 2.9 is to 1 is X is to 2, cross multiply. X equals 5.4, and that's moles of H2O. And that's our theoretical yield. So that's it. We figured out the limiting reactant, and then we used that number to figure out how much of the product could be made, the theoretical yield. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.